Hello class, I wanted to make a quick video to just go over Technology Module 1, which you will be doing this week. So you go into weekly assignments as normal and launch the current week that we're on. Then you will see the only content you find there is called Technology Module 1. You can click on that. Then you will see 3 different sections. One is Blackboard Basics. You will need to click on that in order to get into that content with the assignments. The next one is called Your JCC Accounts. You will need to click on that as well to access all of the content within that section. And the last tab here is Module 1 Technology Quiz. I just want to make sure that you don't leave one of these 3 items out accidentally, because then you will miss a portion of this week. So you can go ahead and go into Blackboard Basics and you will see that there's a video that goes over how to submit assignments, and you're simply going to access the link after you watch the video and you will submit the assignment, which is coming up with an acronym for using the acronym JCC and just coming up with words that fit that. That can be something silly, something serious, whatever you want, but don't use Johnson Community College. Pick something different. One example is called Just Crazy Clues. Click on Write Submission, type your 3 words in there, and you would submit it. After you submit it, you need to make sure you come back out into the Blackboard Basics area and scroll down to access the next part of the week's content, which is taking a test, and you'll watch this video that goes over this in detail. And then your next assignment will be taking a practice test. You'll click on this link right here, which will take you in. For this practice test, you have 2 chances to do it. It is a timed test, so you have 10 minutes to take it. But like I said, you could take it 2 times if you'd like to. Make sure you go back again to Blackboard Basics and scroll down, and there's some more videos for you to watch that show you how you can create a YouTube account, or rather access a YouTube account. You need to have a Gmail email account in order to do this, and then if you don't have one, you should go ahead and get a Gmail account, and then you'll be able to have access to YouTube and have a YouTube channel for the future. It also shows you how you can access Flipgrid, which is an interactive video app that we will use on another week in this course. And it also goes into showing you how to create a Zoom account, which is free. And you can have a live video session where you share screens if you need to with classmates or your instructor if you're having trouble. After you finish all of those items, you want to make sure that you go back into the Technology Module 1 and scroll down, because you've completed Blackboard Basics, but you need to go into your JCC accounts. You'll scroll down and read about that and watch some more videos. Then you go back into Technology Module 1, and the last area that you'll see is your technology quiz. Okay? So you can access all of that if you get a little bit lost. You just always go back to weekly assignments, click on our current week, and then you'll be able to access everything again. So when I look at weekly assignments and I see our current week, it will tell me the following assignments that need to be submitted. So you're going to submit that one assignment that you have to come up with 3 words for the JCC acronym. You're going to take that practice test, and then you're also going to take that technology quiz at the bottom. Those are the 3 assignments that will be turned in. There's lots of other areas where you need to do reading and watching videos to learn about things, but those are the 3 things that you need to turn in for this week. Please contact us with any questions that you might have, and I hope you have a great week.